This is the office, and the nurse is in here, and Miss K and Miss Waycott. This is the music room.
Hi there. Hello. Checking out the art room. She's taking us on a tour.
Oh, so fun. Come and check it out. She's just looking at our art room, boys and girls. If she comes to your table, maybe you can tell her what we're working on.
What are you guys doing?
We're drawing flowers.
Do you have your examples that we already did?
Sunflowers.
Like, we can do one of them like a sunflower or lily pads. Yeah.
Okay.
We're just doing a tour, and she's videoing, so.
And this is the gym. This is the kindergarten pod, and this is Miss Michelle's class, but no one's in there. And then here's some Pete Cats and Elephant and Piggy stuff.
Okay, 1 milliliter. Hello?
She's taking us on a little tour, so she's showing us the STEM room.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, well, it's so nice to meet you. So,
Thank
do you
you.
want to come and see what the first graders students do?
My favorite part of recess is the swings. This is my desk. And this is the story pit where we read stories. And there's some Pete the Cat books over here. And some Dr. Seuss books. And these are book boxes. And then this is my walker. The coat's up there.
Hey, GoPro girl. Oh, okay, perfect. Yeah, we'll go there too.